All right. Give me back my bastard stars, please. Now, I don't remember this place or why we quit. I mean, I know the plants are pretty annoying. But I don't know if they quit the dungeon annoying. Flowers are pretty bad, though. Okay. One, two. Take him out. Maybe we just didn't do it. Okay, there's like a weird little cavey thing there. Just gonna do a few of these, methinks. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep out of that range, please. Goodbye. Idiot. Didn't expect overcast all rump. Okay. It is quite nice in here, though. You know, give me these other fireflies. Why not? I never really craft anything. Maybe I should. Oh, fucking more flowers, man. Okay. Ooh, chest. Oh, it's a prank. Okay. You know what? That really did fuck all. You can take two of these. Thank you. Now you. Could you not? Just like real quick for me. Die a horrible death. That's all I could really ask of you. Maybe like one more? Yeah, good. I want the loot. Living jar shard, interesting. And perfume bottle. Container required for crafting perfume items. I don't think I've ever seen a perfume item, so that's very interesting. I don't care about you guys. You guys may live your sad, sad lives. Oh, we're on the other side of the dungeon! Oh, that's cool as shit. Oh, he can attack from up there. You know what? That makes a lot of sense, actually. Yeah, you know what? Nah. Your boy's good. Warming stone, cool, thanks. Golden rune, yep. Golden rune, yep. Wrong one. Give me my mimic. We're gonna go in there. We're gonna immediately summon a friend. Summon a friend. I didn't have full health. I'm an idiot. I'm gonna die. Because I'm stupid. And I'm still stupid because I'm using the wrong potion. That's a lot of souls to lose. Like a lot of souls. Oh, you fuck. Okay. We're just gonna book it. The old run and pray, baby. Go this way. I do need this budding cave moss. There's like one thing I was making before and it required the budding cave moss. I guess it's not a bad idea to pick some of it up. Hey, bud. I don't want to hurt you. You don't want to hurt me. Maybe you do want to hurt me. You know, it's fine, because I don't want to hurt you, so I'm not gonna. Roll. Keep rolling. It's fine. Just keep going. Round the corner. Okay, heal. Give me one of these. We go back in. This dungeon could definitely use a steak. You know? Nice, thick, juicy, medium rare. Just a nice little steak. Take this. Fantastic. Absolutely fucking ruined me. Gotta love that. Give me the blooming moss, please. Maybe I should just kill that fucking guy. Like, how many times am I gonna need to run through this place, I guess, is the question. Because I don't think he'll respawn. He's like a, you know, quote-unquote mini-boss kind of thing. I gotta stop saying quote-unquote. I don't know why I started saying it. Okay, they're not following me. Which means that this is the perfect time to do one of these. You moved real quick, huh? Just gonna do one of these. Maybe two. Just two. Uh-oh. And he's dead. Fuck your bullshit. 6,000 souls. Not a bad haul. Yeah, I was gonna say, it doesn't look like there's anything worthwhile up there. I don't think I'm gonna do that. Okay, we do this. Fire ahead. Be wary of poison. Try close quarters battle. Fucking... Something tells me that ain't what I should be doing. Okay. Keep a nice lock. Missed. Really need to grab those runes. Okay. Kill this thing. I think my spirit had the right idea. In that killing this thing is probably a priority, yeah. And then while he's nice and distracted, try to get as much damage off as possible, like so. The Great Omen Killer Cleaver. Oh tarnished, oh tarnished. Let there be rum. Now, let me have a little look at that Omen Killer, shall we? Where is you? Well, it's definitely like an ultra great sword. There he is. The blade of this huge loathsome cleaver was comprised of a row of amputated omen horns, weapon of slaughter wielded by omen killers. The hideous horns cause blood loss, adding vibrant colors to the ongoing mayhem. And I want to check out my waifu sword. A moon greatsword bestowed by a Carrion queen upon her spouse to honor long-standing tradition. One of the legendary armaments. Rani's sigil is the full moon, cold and leaden, and this sword is but a beam of its light. Nice. Okay. We did this dungeon. And we did... There's something there, but I don't know what that means. I didn't plan for shit super well. I'll be the most, you know, honest person here and just let you know out of the gate. I should probably also go back to the round table. I haven't been since I became betrothed to the person that killed the finger. Are you still gonna talk to me? Hello. Yeah, you sure are. Little wacky, to be honest. Did not expect that. Okay, rest at the grace. Level me up a little bit. Your boy wants more... Yeah, sure, give me that. And I've also got those 2 bell... maybe 3 bell bearings? Hello there, dung eater. Purchase? No. Offer a bell bearing. Offer a bell bearing. Offer a bell bearing. Yeah. Already bought them all. No. Oh, does that just add them to your normal shop? It looks like it does. Okay. And it gives me somber smithing stones up to 4. Interesting. I could have sworn I had 2 different ones. Eh, whatever. Ooh, I can buy a level tier. Absolution, a ritual pot. Yeah, you don't really have anything I want. See you ladies. Have fun. Okay, let's go try and upgrade that sword. I really want the Dark Moonlight Greatsword to be better.
Greeting, are you here for
There's something you should know.
I can hear it from across the howling and wailing of... You should keep your... I know you should...
Okay, that's fine. I already knew that one. Wait, I haven't upgraded my Mimic's tiers at all? Oh shit, I'm an idiot. I don't even know if that makes it better or not. But I definitely should have been upgrading it. Yeah, thank you. Friend.
Well, I took you no matter.
Oh, I took you for dead. Hey, out your arms and... Where is my baby? It uses... Sombers, damn it. Okay, I can get it to +8. I can get it all the way to +9. Yeah. Okay. I'm surprised I couldn't get this up to +9. I guess I found enough smithing stones, huh? Well, I'm really sorry, but I gotta take my wife's weapon. It's just the way it is. If you disrespect your waifu, she will ruin your lifeu. Okay, so that does cause some problems, because this thing's fucking heavy. Okay. I'm gonna make an executive decision as well to use up one of these fucking many larval tiers I've got. Renala, can I do a quick little respec? Hello.
Art thou now?
Cosmetics? Oh. Yeah, discard. Rebirth.
Now.
Start from square one. You must reassign all levels till you reach your present level, and you cannot make any attributes lower than you. Okay. Fair. That makes sense. So it's already cleared them all. Okay. Well, okay. I definitely like this to be 30. This can be 20. Int needs to be at least 60. And this can be 15? Which does increase my equip load a bit. I think that's got to be a little bit higher as well. I think 10 should do. Give me one more int. Oh, I got a new thingamajig. Thank you. Now, that's the money. Okay, so Iggy, I am now married to your lady. You got anything new to tell me? Oh, good, he's alive. I was worried for a second there. Excuse me? Oh! Can it only be buffed at nighttime? Talk. I did. We got married. Okay, well, bye. Guess he didn't want to talk. Okay, take me to here. Yeah, this should be fine. Shwoop. Wait. Oh, well, I don't want to use you anyway. I don't care about that. That one. Shit. What do we got? 15. Okay, we need one more level. That's fine. We can work with getting a single level. And that's where we're trying to get to. Oh yeah, because we went down before, didn't we, to get the map? Yeah, we didn't go in the front gates. Like, at all. Okay. Well, this time, we're heading straight through the main entrance, I guess? Goodbye. Aren't you the Beast Blood guy? No, you're just a giant. Okay. Bye. Whoop. Thanks for coming. Hello, I am here for your volcanoes and quite possibly your manors. Okay. Now, somewhere in this place, there is an invisible wall with like 10 million HP. Well, he's not happy, is he? Oh wait, I can't attack. Interesting. Hello. You look vaguely familiar. Yes.
We rarely receive visitors to the Volcano Manor without invitation.
I can come back with an invitation.
And not unlike another guest we had long ago. So, Tarnished. Have you ever harbored doubts about the burden of grace and the dogmatic ramblings of the fingers?
I have.
If you have, why not rise with us?
I mean, I'm kind of doing that anyway.
Decision is most now you belong to the drawing room lies down the hall. I am Tanith, the proprietress of this house.
Okay.
The drawer use the key I handed you.
I feel like I'm going to be betrayed. No, that's not the right one. I guess probably down this hall, right? This door? Nope. This door? There we go. Aha. Ah! Ah! Oh, wait, I can attack in here. Hiya! Still works, even when I can't wield it. There we go. So I guess it just needs to be in the dark. Also, thank you for the secret. Appreciate that. Ow. A budding horn, a serpent arrow. Probably certain death. Don't I have like a little lantern thing? Somewhere? Yeah, this thing. There we go. Hello, sir. Goodbye, sir. Oh god. Okay, I was gonna say, well, I mean, a bit late for that, seeing as you put it before the up. But no, there was more. Wait, how did I shoot the weird sword beams for? Ah! That's how you shoot the sword beams. Heavy shoots beams. Is this another? Yes, it is. Depraved perfumer caveman? Carmen. Okay. I feel like there's maybe something a little bit sussy going on in here. Like, there does seem to be an awful lot of dead folks around here. Hold on. Give me one of these real quick. Oh, that does some damage. Bloodhound claws, dried liver. A little bit of mana. Nothing here. Okay. We're in an odd little church. Probably should have sat down, in reality. So I'm now a little bit worried about what's gonna happen if I go back to the round table. Okay, and who are you? Lover, therefore, offer whole.
The drawer used the key.
Is that all you got to say, huh? You want to talk about why I found like a dozen dead people out there? This feels like bait. Yep, there we go. Eat it. Nope, never mind. He ate me. If I had just kept my sword out, I would have had him. I would have had him. That's fine. I'll fuck him up. Don't even worry about it. Just let me up the stairs. There we go. That's what I'm after. Wait, where'd he go? There he is. Give me your fucking... Mince him. One of these. Get out of here. Fucking Inquisitor geezer. You old prick. Thanks for the wheel. It's wheelie fun. Now you.
The drawing used the key.
Okay, well we've explored upstairs. Let's explore more down the hallway, I guess. I see, so if it's night... Oh wait, I can open any of these. Is this a drawing room? Recusant finger. Letter from Volcano Manor. There's a thing for letters and stuff. Yeah. Tarnished to be hunted. Old Knight Ishtavan. He can be found in Limgrave. Find the red mark on your map for the exact location.
What in heaven's name are you doing here? The Volcano Manor is a pit of recusants who spit at grace and hunt our own kind.
What are you doing here?
You understand?
I don't understand.
Leave immediately. Those with weak stomach.
Okay.
Or do you claim what it means to be?
I understand.
As long as I thought you were tarnished, bred by virtue. Perhaps playing that part led you to your doubts, I wonder. But know that the path you walk is blasphemy and leads only to
Good thing I literally cannot die.
consider hunting any of your own kind.
Thanks for the heads up. You know, he's a good guy. Hello.
A pleasure to meet you.
You're a little bit hunched over there, lady.
Raya, the scout under Lady Tarnished. Brave Thunder Lady.
Interesting. Can't open that door. Okay, so I just gotta wait till nighttime, I guess. In my room? That's just this room again. What's behind door number whatever? Can I use this thing again? Thank you. Damn it, I'm suspect as fuck now. Okay, there's nothing in this one. Okay, this is this one. This one's blocked. Okay, wait until night. Past time until nightfall. Aha!
Someone please kill him. That horrendous serpent.
I think I killed him.
Rykard.
Hello.
Here to put the demi, please.
The great... Ooh, I like the sound of a great serpent.
Praetor Rykard. I left the serpent-slaying spear in the Lord's chamber. Worthy Tarnished. Brandish the spear and run him through. The great serpent.
We have an objective.
Praetor, they were reduced to whatever that
You very much so now have my interests.
Before you can...
Brave Thunder Lady.
Okay, well, I want to get into the manor. But I don't know how. Like, how are you supposed to do it normally without finding the secret door? That is what I want to know.
Did you read that is the task, the volcano?
Oh, okay.
You will be compensated if you are loath to hunt your own king. But you must leave this house. This is a war against the earth. We have no place for the meek.
Okay, fuck it. Let's go take him out. He was in Limgrave. Marked with a red dot on our map. That's not Limgrave. That's Limgrave. Okay. Istvan. Let's go have a look. Now, I may have been trying to avoid killing good people. But, you know. Sometimes for lore. Oh my god. Where the fuck did you guys come from? Owie, owie. Get out of here. Frick knocked me off my horse. Get out of here. Jerk. Okay, yeah, he was over here somewhere. Hold on, are you alive? No, you're a dead one. Okay, good. Is that him there in front of the thing? Oh no, he's there. Okay, hold on. But there's definitely someone here in front of the arena now, which there wasn't before. Or maybe not. Don't have the right. Too high up. Okay, I don't know how to get in there. That's fine. Shit happens. Alright, you. Okay, Istvan. You and me, buddy. Do you want to talk at all? No? Not really? Just combat? Okay. Well, see you later. Can you just take me to the Volcano Manor, please? That's where I'm going anyway. Ooh. You gave me loot. I love loot. It's my favorite. So now if I come back to here, do they hate me? Seeing as I'm killing a Tarnished. No, they still do not give a fuck. Interesting. Maybe we're keeping it on the hush-hush. Well, I killed your idiot. Now what do you want? You got more idiots for me to kill? I didn't even use a spell. I'm more of a spellcaster.
I am pleased. This is your
Magma shot. Fucking garbage.
the way is tainted. It is the truth.
Is that it?
Now you are a Requiem.
Okay, cool. Well, thanks. Open? That's the one I can't open. Ah, there's another one now.
So, then I shall introduce Banal. A recusant.
I don't know if I've seen you before. Maybe I have.
Recusants have particular battle arts, styled to our methods of slaughter.
I do like your
Why
snake.
not add some to your repertoire?
Oh! No skill is a valuable one. I don't know if I've got one, but I'll take it. Eruption? of don't really need any more.
Come to undertake the recuse to raise the flag. We recusants, or you can do it.
Okay, cool. You there?
Have you any strange
I have.
senses beyond the walls?
Yes, I'm looking for that. If you could give me more information, actually.
Oh, Fi, what am I saying? It just isn't possible. I must be tired.
No, it is.
Some like. Oh.
Damn it. I got another one. Do you want me to go kill him?
Now you I am deep.
Right at the back. Relay the idol in the Altus Plateau. Or I guess Rayleigh? If One Piece has taught me anything. Oh yeah, there's someone over there I want to kill as well. Now that I think about it. Wait, that's a, I don't know if I looted this. Oh no, this one doesn't have a chest on it. Never mind. So from memory, it was like over here, right? Wait, what the fuck is that? Interesting. Whoop! Oh, it is down here we want to go anyway. No, it's not. Damn it. That's on the low path. Only place I've got to get to the low path is like here. Which is kind of interesting. Was there anything in this? Because I don't even have it marked on my map. Which makes me think I did not do my due diligence in exploring here at all. Like, even a little bit? In all of these ruins, there's something. So that leads me to believe that there's got to be something here, too. Maybe at night? Well, there's mushrooms. Okay, let's try the night thing. Oh, I also see the witch statue up there. Witch statue? I get it. Pastime. No, pastime. Until 9. Is there anything up here? Ah, maybe at the top. I can glitch my way up here. Yep, right at the top. There's even an Ash of War. Just for me. Whoop. See you boys later. Ah, shit. Do one of these. Can I summon a friend? I can. Hello there. It's another one of you guys. I've seen a few of you. Eat this. Owie. But really needed you to hit that, if you don't mind. This'll do. Hup. Thank you. And let me through the door. What's behind door number Whatever. A ritual sword talisman. What does that do? Raises attack power and HP to maximum. Not terrible. There's the grand lift. Just take me back here. Okay, so we want to go down and then to the left. Last time we went straight that way. I can't imagine why. Like, I mean, there's definitely something going on that way. Not so much this way, but this is also apparently how we get to that poison castle thing on the map that I was interested in. So I'm not against going this way. Believe you me. I see you up there, you little shit. Skadoosh. No, I want the bug. Oh, I hit a crab. Got him. Ash of War Blood Blade. Very cool. Something down there. It's a mushroom. Not that interested in a mushroom, unfortunately. You're interesting, though. What are you? You're an enemy. That's fine. Goodbye. Idiot. Do I want to kill Mr. Giant? I mean, he's just kind of vibing. But it is also a crime. So... no vibing allowed, please, sir? Oh. He had a bit more health than I thought he did. Goodbye. Also, I just really need souls at the moment. So I can get one single point more strength. Okay, there's also you. You require 2. We need stone swords for that. Thank you. Yeah, just keep moving me up. Moving on up. Moving on up. There's our guy that we gotta kill. But I'd really like a bonfire. Like, pretty please? Just one? Just a smidgen of bonfire? Okay, I can see one. Way over there. In the middle of Poison Slug Swamp. Oh, that's not great. Just gonna do one of these. Now, what the hell is this place called? Shaded Castle. Interesting. Excuse me, gentlemen. It was only a quick visit. I will be back. For your castle in the swamp, however. I'll also grab that flower again. Thank you, dearly. What do you got to say? Ah, Fort. All the more night. Gotta love Fortnite. Alright, but now time for the real piece de resistance. The invasion? Wow, a lot of people died fighting this guy, huh? Okay, really? Oh no, it's R-I though, not R-Y. Go. Get him. Fuck him up. Nailed it. A lot of people died to that guy? Bunch of bitches. Thanks for the rune arc. I'm just really good at PvP. When they've got no idea what they're doing. Ooh, a Creptus Vial. Eliminates all sound made by the wearer during movement. That is an interesting one for PvP. Okay, take me back to the manor.